trail mix on the... While the burgers are being prepared, let's take a look at the passenger cabin. These passengers want a portion of trail mix. Serve them now. Great. Yes. Let's get back to the gal. The burgers are ready. Add a burger to the tray. Good job. Now go and... Thank you. Over here.
Great!
Attention passengers, we'll be at landing shortly.
You have unlocked the lemon tap to put the glass into the dispenser. Wait a few moments. Done. Now drag it to the tray. Great. Yes, please. Hello? Passengers don't want this combination right now. You can always throw it out and start over. Nice! Hi. Delicious.
Yeah, I don't know. When did that happen?
Attention passengers, we will be landing shortly.